my beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. There is this video I want to bring to our table. Is long when I do something like this. Let's deliberate on this video before I call it today. Maybe this video you guys will see it on Monday. I will not publish two videos tomorrow, Sunday. Shout out to my beautiful sister Ziveri. Oh yeah, receive some kiss. Receive some kiss. If you don't have her and you want to see all kind of food, head to her house. Head to her house. Yes, so head to her house. She sent me this particular video so that me I talk about her. Sister, I hope say it's not too late to say your sister and who did there. Oh yeah, let's listen to this particular video. Drop your opinion. What do you think about it?
And then you now video the oil.
Wait, put it so not one tear, not do nothing.
Red oil. Red oil that is inside. And what she is holding is not red oil, it's urine that she is holding. Menstruation urine.
Yeah, she's asking. Talk now. You, I said. She's asked to pour.
Okay, she was asked to pour this oil. As you can see, this is a bigger container of the red oil. And she was asked to pour from this to this other one so that it can be easily used. And she dropped the oil, went and urinated inside the cup that she's holding. What she's holding is menstruation urine. Intention was to pour the urine into the red oil. But fortunately for her, our boss caught her red-handed with what she's holding. That is,
she's an Igbo girl.
She's an Igbo girl. Where are you from?
Imo State.
From Imo State.
And her name is Faith.
What's the other name? Atuchi.
Bring the cup down a bit so that you can see inside the cup.
Don't let that thing pour into my this here.
Atuchi.
And what's your surname? I can't hear you. Odemena. Her name is Faith Aduchi from Imo State. Where's your village in Imo?
It's Abia.
From Abia State.
So she's from Abia.
From Abia State. What's the name of the village? Umozonike. So she's an Igbo girl from Umozonike in Abia State.
My people, this particular video, when you watch from Nigeria, this thing happened from Nigeria. A maid from X, yes, this lady now from X, but we are all Nigeria. Then she they do house help, follow somebody for Lagos. Then she carry her menstrual, her flower, her menstrual and her pad. Then she soak it for water. Then she took the water. She want fill her. She want to fill it with red oil. We the Africa, Nigeria, we use red oil to cook. In fact, almost many of our food we use red oil. Then her boss catch her. Then they start asking her question. My people, what do you think about the reason why this lady do this thing? Can you leave it in the comment section? Can you give me the why this lady do this kind act? If you know the reason why this lady do this act, leave it in the comment section. Like somebody like me, I will drop my own opinion. A lot of people, they are dropping comments. Let me read one of two comments. Dear Lord, thank you for giving me a wonderful girl like Shina. I pray you left her more than I can. Help her. I have watched that girl from every corner. She is just heaven sent to me. Wow. This one say you can never satisfy an ungrateful person, no matter how kind and generous you are. This one say calling her tribe does not make any sense than to call her name and condemn the act. My opinion. Yes, your opinion can. This one say first is the boss a nice person? Now wait till I want to talk, because some people maltreat maid for slavery. Made for slavery. They are really stressing it. that she is an Igbo girl. They think girls from other tribe cannot do the same or worse ever. She drank small from the cup. My people, my own opinion is, first of all, is the boss a nice person? But if the boss, he or she is a nice person, or she or he is a the other side wicked person, a good person will never act this act. Whether your boss is wicked, whether your boss is nice, or whether, no matter how your boss maltreat you, the thing you will do is for you to leave. A wicked person will act this act. This lady, for me, I condemn what she did is wrong. If your boss is wicked to you, find your way to leave the house. But if you don't have choice, just because your boss is wicked to you, then manage it. The reason why I said manage it, many people who will sit and start talking, they have experienced hardship, hard time, suffer, poverty, a lot. But today, they are not there. Today, they are on their own. Today, they are progressing. Those people who maltreat them, their conscience will never leave them. Those kind of people said they took their time to go and visit them, to tell them, look at the girl you have maltreated. Look at what I have become. But if you have that mind, then you will act this act. It doesn't mean your boss wicked you. Then you will have your flour and soak it inside the water. They said, what you don't know, it will not hurt you. It will not buy you. It will not kill you. It's what you see, it will retake to you. Or it's what you hear, it will scatter your stomach. I wish you succeed. Maybe you have been doing it. Maybe there is, maybe there is your, I don't know, I don't want to put it in the other side. Maybe that is your own, to carry to your place, to your meeting. Because you are very young. How could a young girl like this have that kind of mind? What come out from your body? That if it's, in fact, if you leave that kind of thing, maybe you wear it like 4 hours, 3 hours, maybe you want to go and use yourself. The kind, very smell. That is, in fact, a smell. You have the guts and soak it on the cup. You want to fill it in that jerrycan of oil. Then your boss will eat. And you will eat for the same food now. They will use fire to cook it. Everything will die and go. But it irritates when you see it. Many of us who eat food that we always have, we don't know where the food, we don't know what the people who doing it and what they put inside the food. It's only God that always saves us. As you young as you are, you have that kind of mind. Okay, let me say the boss is, he's wicked to you. But if you don't have that kind of mind, you will not do it. If your boss is, what's about, now you put that, you succeed, your boss eat it, it will stop him or her to not be wicked to you. He will still be wicked to you. She will still be wicked to you. Or you, I don't really know, my people. This girl, she's too young. For me, that comment when that person said, measuring the tribe doesn't mean, yes, when something happens, people try to know where you are from. I don't think there is bad thing on it. Yes, that person wants to know the area where she's from. She's from Edo, she's from Yoruba, she's from Igbo, she's from Hausa. We are one Nigeria. But they just want to know the part of Nigeria she comes from. It doesn't mean this girl, she's from Igbo. Then the thing happened. It's only then. No, there is no place on this earth bad thing don't happen. There is not place. There is no place on this earth. There is no good people. There is not bad people. But this girl, she's too young to take as a maid. Me, I always against it. This lady, she's too young to take as a maid. Poverty. What poverty has turned my country, Nigeria, to suffer hardship. A young girl will go for maid. I know many people will pass it, yes, but we have give glory to God. This girl is supposed to be in school. If her parents, they are okay. If her parents, they are okay to feed her, I don't think this girl will left her parents' house. Please, if you as a boss, madam, if you take somebody's child, treat them like your own. I know some people, you treat them like your own, but they will still have that no, that strong mind like this girl. Now this girl has, no matter how anybody will try to convince me for coming, no, she have strong mind. If her boss is even wicked the way they, no, she will not do this kind of thing. She will not do it. But my own opinion is, anybody, I do this video, is that video give me almost 6,000 plus. I do that video about Sandra when she talked about her housemate. Me, I'm against it. If you want to have house girl, please always plan for that house girl. Plan for her. If you plan for her today, tomorrow she will definitely remember you. You put her in the work, or you put her in school, or you put her anything. One day she must, I see some people who said, if you take a housemaid or house girl to assist you in your home, how can she be going school? Me, I live with my mom before. I will go school, primary. Then if I come back from my primary school, I will start helping her. If it's for me to help her to hawk, I hawk. I will help her to hawk. If for me to start cooking evening food, I will cook. I will do things. I believe it's the same thing maids do. It's the same thing. Because the way me I look maid is how I grow up with my mom. That's how I look maid. If you grow with my mother, in the morning you wake up and sweep, you will cook, you will do a lot of things before going to school. When you come back, you will still start doing a lot of things before the day dark. Yes, if I'm Nigeria today and God give me money, I want to have me. It's the way I see, the way my mother do it. That is how we do it. If they want to go school, they go school. If they come back from school, okay, they do the things they're supposed to do. Cook. When you treat somebody child like your own, I don't think that person will ever forget you. When you treat somebody child, you take her, God Almighty will bless you. If that child is maybe she or he is not a nice person, she or he is a bad person, she has strong mind like this girl now. One day she will remember. She will see somebody who is passing that condition when she works or he was. She will remember you. She will pray for you. Look at the way they are maltreating this girl. In my time, my boss put me in the school. I will go to school, I will come back, I will help her. I will do a lot. He or she have remembered you. My people, leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think about, what do you think that caused this lady to do this thing that she just did? For me, she have wickedness. No matter, she have wicked mind. No matter her boss is wicked. I know some boss, they are something else. They are very, very, but good person will not do this act. Good child will not do this act. That's how it is. Leave your comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your own opinion. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. I'm loyal, I'm humble. I appreciate every one of you. May Almighty God keep blessing each and every one of you. Till I meet you in my name. I hope you know they do now the property. Yeah, bet clever. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.